If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best graphics card for gaming, delivering the speed, power, and performance serious gamers demand for today's most intense titles. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT is a highly capable graphics card that caters to gamers seeking strong 1080p and 1440p performance without breaking the bank. Powered by the Radeon RX 7600 XT GPU, this card is armed with 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory on a 128-bit interface, which provides ample bandwidth for modern gaming titles and creative applications alike. PCI Express 4.0 support ensures fast data transfer and compatibility with the latest motherboards, giving users future-proof flexibility. One of the standout features of this card is its advanced wind force cooling system, which utilizes multiple fans and composite copper heat pipes to effectively dissipate heat during extended gaming sessions. Gamers who appreciate visual flair will enjoy the inclusion of RGB fusion lighting, which allows for customizable color schemes to match any gaming rig. The protective metal backplate not only enhances durability, but also contributes to the card's premium feel. Connectivity is generous, with 2 HDMI 2.1a ports and 2 DisplayPort 2.1 outputs, providing plenty of options for multi-monitor setups and high refresh rate displays. Performance-wise, the RX 7600 XT handles popular titles like Cyberpunk 2027, Call of Duty Warzone, and Fortnite with ease at high settings, delivering smooth frame rates and crisp visuals. Its 16 gigabytes of VRAM is particularly beneficial for resource-intensive games and content creation tasks. For gamers looking for a balance between solid performance, effective cooling, and modern features, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT represents excellent value. Number 2. Asus Dual Nvidia RTX 3050. The Asus Dual Nvidia ATX 3050 offers an impressive mix of modern Nvidia technologies and reliable cooling in a compact, efficient design, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers and compact builds. At the core of this graphics card is Nvidia's Ampere architecture, bringing 2x the FP32 throughput through its advanced streaming multiple processors and improved power efficiency. The second-generation RT cores dramatically enhance ray tracing capabilities, providing more realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows in supported games, while the third-generation Tensor cores take advantage of AI-driven technologies like DLSS to improve performance without sacrificing image quality. The RTX 3050 is capable of smooth 1080p gaming across a wide range of titles, including Valorant, Apex Legends, and Overwatch 2, with some games even pushing into 1440p territory when settings are adjusted. Ray tracing support adds a touch of next-gen visuals to supported games, although for more demanding titles, gamers may need to temper expectations or lean on DLSS technology for boosted frame rates. Number 3. Asus TUF Gaming GeForce. The Asus TUF Gaming GeForce graphics card is designed for gamers who demand durability, cutting-edge performance, and robust cooling solutions. Powered by Nvidia's latest Blackwell architecture and supported by DLSS 4, this card delivers excellent frame rates and superior image quality even in demanding AAA titles. Built using military-grade components, it promises a longer lifespan and reliable power delivery, making it ideal for intense gaming sessions and overclocking enthusiasts. This triple fan design ensures the GPU stays cool even under heavy graphical loads. Additionally, a phase-changed GPU thermal pad replaces traditional thermal paste, providing consistent and efficient heat transfer over time.
Number 4. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070. The Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070 is a next-gen gaming powerhouse that combines Nvidia's advanced Blackwell architecture with cutting-edge DLSS4 technology for outstanding performance and AI-driven enhancements. This graphics card is built with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory on a 192-bit interface, offering ample bandwidth and memory capacity for high-resolution textures, ray tracing, and multitasking. PCIe 5.0 compatibility ensures blazing fast data transfer rates and future-proof integration with upcoming motherboards. The RTX 4070 also offers strong ray tracing performance, delivering realistic lighting and reflections that bring modern games to life. Number 5. MSI GeForce RTX 4060. The MSI GeForce RTX 4060 is an excellent choice for gamers seeking dependable 1080p and 1440p performance without stretching their budget. Built on Nvidia's latest architecture, this card introduces AI-driven features like DLSS3 and real-time ray tracing to mainstream gamers. The dual-fan cooling solution ensures a cool and quiet gaming environment with Thorax Fan 4.0 technology using fan blade pairs to create powerful, concentrated airflow for enhanced cooling. The Zero Frozer feature intelligently stops the fans during low load moments, ensuring complete silence when the GPU isn't under heavy stress. Overall, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 strikes a fine balance between affordability, modern features, and dependable performance, making it an appealing choice for everyday gamers and casual streamers alike.